This is Danakil Depression. Welcome to Ethiopia. Jesus.
ኢትዮጵያ ነው እንግዳ ነኝ ከሌለ እንግዳ እዚህ ላይ
Guys, you might be thinking where I am right now. This looks like Mars or hell. But actually, I'm on planet Earth and this is Ethiopia. See the crazy landscape. It looks like everything is almost dead and of course nothing grows here. All of this is poisonous, it's deadly, it have lot of acid and chemical reaction because of the tectonic place that shifted millions of years ago between Asia and Africa. So this is not Mars, this is not hell, this is Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. A long day. In the evening we have made it to Danakil Depression, world's most poisonous region, and it's my second or third time in a far region of Ethiopia. So last time Danakil was closed because of the war, so I was not able to come, but now it's open again and I'm finally back. So Danakil Depression, it spreads between Ethiopia and Eritrea, two countries. Oh wow, what? In this poisonous area there is something that is alive. This is the craziest shit I have seen.
No, be careful.
Is it deadly? Oh my goodness, it's gone. Something is surviving in this acidic area. How insane is that?
How is that possible?
My-
To see a living animal in
How,
there?
Abel, how is it possible?
I don't know. From where? From out of where that
This area there is something that is alive. Wow. This is the first shock in Danakil Depression, Ethiopia, a far region. We are hiking towards Dalol, colorful area. So let's go and reach the colorful side of Danakil. So guys, look behind me how the sulfur looks like, how the world's deadliest place looks like. This is Danakil Depression. Welcome to Ethiopia. Have you seen something like this in your life before? Let me know in the comments. One of the most unique landscape of our planet Earth. We have finally made it to Dalol and this is incredible. भाई फाइनली हम लोग दालोल एसिडिक स्प्रिंग एरिया में पहुंच चुके हैं. यहाँ पे सल्फ़र का मात्रा इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि नाक में जा रहा है, कुछ बोला नहीं जा रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं नर्क में चल रही हूँ भाई. ये देखिए आप. ऐसे लग रहा है कि नर्क में चल रहे हैं. Just look at this place. How insane is that? It looks amazing, it looks colorful, but it is extremely deadly. All this is just sulfur and salt. And देखिए भाई ये कैसे उबल रहा है, बाप रे कैसे उबल रहा है भाई. And this is all natural reaction coming out of the earth. Wow. Just listen to the voice. I'm putting my mic there. Listen to the voice. How insane is this voice? Guys, this is deadly. This is insane. This is in Afar region of Ethiopia. Danakil depression caused millions of years ago because of the three tectonic plates that shifted: Arabian tectonic plate, the Nuba, and the Somali. Hear the voice. Hear the voice of this. Wow. The earth here is boiling, melting pot. The earth is cooking from under the ground. And guys, Dalol is almost 53 kilometer landmass, and this is 120 meters below sea level, and this is one of the hottest and most deadliest place on our planet Earth. Look behind me, how insane it looks. I've never seen something like this in my life before. This is one of the most unique adventures of my life, and the people who inhabit this area are Afar people. I think one of the strongest human of our planet. They survive here with no food, nothing, just with their camels and this deadliest landscape. Imagine. Guys, just look at the color of Dalol. It is so beautiful in colors. Oh my goodness, this is like earth is really cooking itself. My goodness. But how colorful it is, that much deadly also it is. It have all the colors: gray, red, orange, green, yellow. Same level of deadliness also is in this landscape. It's equally deadly. But to be honest, Afar is one of my favorite regions to travel. I've been here many times and I love it. I love it so much. Guys, this side is completely green. भाई, आप लोग सोच नहीं सकते हो ये जगह कितनी डेडली है. आज आप लोगों को पता है गर्मी बहुत कम है, बट तब भी यहाँ पे जो मौसम है, जो केमिकल है हवा में, वो बहुत डेडली है, बहुत ज़्यादा डेडली. Don't go closer. Okay, this one. Guys, this is how sulfur looks like. This really reminds me of Russia. Crazy. Guys, look how the sulfur water is flowing like a river from the top. It's coming from the top and it's flowing like a river.
Welcome to Ethiopia, Dalol. Right now we are in the Afar region, one of the hottest parts in the Horn of Africa, which is near minus 128 meters below sea level. Dalol.
Welcome. No problem. No. We are adventure lover.
Yeah.
Adventure. Abel, how old are these mountains? Million year?
Long year.
Okay guys, wow.
Yeah.
These are the salt mountains near Dalol. These are the salt mountains guys. कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Will you come back again?
Sure.
Sure, yeah. And we are sitting on top of the car.
Wow.
Good morning. We came near Salt Lake area and I was so stupid that I was thinking all of the Salt Lake just look like this white marble until Abel told me that this is water. So this is really a salt lake. It have dried salt also and there is water also. And that water is salty. Okay. What? Yeah, there is water. भाई मैं अभी तक सोच रही थी कि पूरा ऐसे ना चलने वाला एरिया है, मतलब क्रिस्टल हो रखा है सॉल्ट का. आई वाज थिंकिंग द होल लेक इज क्रिस्टल ओनली. वाओ. So good morning from Ethiopia for we have Salt Lake right here. Millions years ago there was ocean in this area. So this is the remains. You see how crazy this looks. I cannot believe how crazy this looks. So guys, this Salt Lake is one of the most lowest point in the world. Almost same like Dead Sea in Jordan and Israel. But this is not a sea, this is a lake. Even Dead Sea is kind of like a lake. It's not really a ocean. So probably this one is more saltier than that one in the Jordan. So at least I know the one in Djibouti is more salty, and of course this one also. All of this is just salt and water. You see how crazy is the salt here? Everything just looks white. This is for sure more saltier than the Dead Sea in Jordan. Wow. But nobody told you that Africa have more saltier lake in the whole world. Insane. The middle of the hill in Danakil. See, this looks like nothing can survive here, and far people are just living here randomly. Oh, he lives here. No,
Yeah.
really?
Yep.
In this hill?
Yeah. He told me I am going here.
To do what?
Look him. He turned into the house.
Okay, let's go. Please ask him to stop. 10 minutes here. We're going to ask him something.
In Amharic. Amharic is an official language.
Oh, he speaks Amharic? Wow.
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. Let's ask him.
አባት አንዳንድ ጥያቄ ጠይቆታለሁ ብላለች።
Salam. Salam.
እንዴት ነው?
አማን ነው።
Danane.
ሰላም ነች?
You is this his house or he's working here?
እዚህ ነው የምትኖረው ወይስ እዚህ ነው የምትሰራው? ምን እያረክ ነው እዚህ?
ማን ነው? እኔ ነው?
አዎ
እኔ አልሰራም እዚህ።
እሺ
አሁን እዚህ ሰው ካለ ሳይሃል ከሌለ መንገድ ሄዳለሁ። እዚህ ላይ አለ እኔ ቤት።
So I am here. I am walking to my home. This is not my home.
ይሄ
My
ትምህርት
home is
ይላል።
there.
We can drop him to his home.
ወደ ቤት ልንወስድህ እንችላለን በመኪና።
እሺ
Let's go.
እሺ
Yes. Ask him. How, is it possible to live in this area? There is no water, no food.
እዚህ እንዴት ነው የምትኖረው? ምግብ እንዴት ታገኛለህ? እዚህ ውሃ እዚህ እንዴት ታገኛለህ?
ውሃ እዚህ ላይ መስመጥ አለ። እዚህ አህያ ላይ
So
What did he say?
እዚህ ቦታ ላይ
there is a water here in the middle and we bring water
And
by a
eat?
donkey.
Eat?
ምግብ እሳ
ምግብ እዚህ ላይ እንሰራለን።
Huh?
ቤት ላይ
We prepare food at our home.
But
ሴቶች ይሰራሉ።
I have a wife.
oh, she cook? Okay.
Yeah.
Grocery.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. We take you. My goodness, this is insane.
አሃ ያቀጥለ አዎ ለመብት ነው ሀ
This is a right. I will kill him. Yeah, this is a rule because their religion allow them to kill.
Oh my goodness.
They have a rule and they are.
Guys, we are asking what happens when you cheat. So in Afar, people they just kill each other if they find out they're cheating.
ይሄ ሌላ ሰው የቀባለ ምንም ችግር የለም። እስላሞች ነው። አዎ ችግር የለም።
Kill. Qatal.
አዎ ይሄ ሰው
Oh, is yes, okay.
This is all Muslim.
Yes, oh, is yes.
عبدالله سقوي أبي مانوس ألفي العيد قاس كان روبس شجار حي قبا هالفي كاره
This is guys the
Ida hala habol kale.
area before we start our journey to Talle.
طبعا كيما الحين
We are dealing with soldiers.
Yes, yes.
انقدا فوتو فلك
يفلقال إذا.
Soldier?
مسارة مطالت مسارة.
Yeah, soldier.
مسار يما
soldier ఇక్కడ
عتبا سمتو بيجي دولي لا
أتمنى دبلو لك. يزو.
تجرين
చిగిరిలం
مسارة stop.
يا مسوي
Jesus.
طب يا انقداني
إيه عندنا.
يس